Hi guys, this is GSMDome and I'm here with two versions of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. It comes in titanium violet and also a sort of yellow beige. Okay, so what we're dealing with here is a handset that doesn't have the stylus of the S24 Ultra and it has a different CPU. We're dealing with the Exynos 2400. I won't insist too much on the specs. I will insist, however, on the fact that we're dealing with narrower bezels for the screen, a flatter frame and also a flat all-around design, including a flat screen with now extra anti-glare protection thanks to the brand new Corning Gorilla Armor. So the glare has been reduced, which is useful in the sunlight. Now, aside from that, there aren't many changes as far as the cameras are concerned. Same resolution, same zoomability as last year, but also extra AI. So the AI will manifest itself in real-time translation of phone calls. If two people are chatting, it's able to translate what they're talking about so they can understand each other, and AI can also take care of things as far as the photos and videos are concerned. There's also an extra vapor chamber for cooling of the processor when you're playing games, and just to show you what AI can do, things will happen here in the photo section. So if you're annoyed by this reflection, you can press here and then you can do erase reflections and it's gone. At the same time, you can slow down a video to your preference. So if you have this clip here, and no, this is actually a pan. These are people playing basketball, so if I keep pressed on them, you can see that the time is slowing down. You can create a slow motion video from a regular moving clip. But there's also another feature which I actually enjoy the most. There's a partnership between Google and Samsung. So for example, I'm in San Francisco right now, and I actually looked it up, and if I keep press the home button, I can actually circle this and search it. Golden Gate Bridge has been recognized, and I can expand my search to where is it located and even create a time frame to visit it over the next days. Once again, with this power of AI, I can go here to the gallery, and I saw a waffle. Here I keep it pressed. Imagine this was actually an Instagram feed and I saw a waffle and I did this. It's searching for recipes, it's searching for a vegan type of waffle, and you can actually expand it into more details. Okay, and an extra feature aside from this, you can actually look stuff up in here. So for example, I took a photo of a plant earlier, and I can do the same thing. And I can actually do that straight from the viewfinder. Let's actually do something cool this time. Maybe I want to find this person's shoes. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so it's looking up shoes. Apparently they're Nikes. I'm not sure if it got it right, but it's still pretty amazing what you can do with the power of AI. And that's just scratching the surface. So this is the bigger model. It has an aluminum frame. Titanium was only kept for the S24 Ultra. And it comes in various hues. This is actually called titanium violet, and this is a sort of beige. And there's also an extra black one. Well, as I said before, not many changes in screen resolution, diagonal, RAM, storage, battery. Only the narrower bezels, flatter frame, flatter screen, extra AI, Exynos brand new CPU, and of course the power of AI to change things. There's also another interesting feature. So if you go to your notes, you can actually summarize things better. So if you have this one here, you can actually go ahead and use this feature. You can auto format, summarize, correct spelling, or translate. Summarize will take the text and only show bullet points of it, which I actually saw the Pixel 8 Pro do with Chrome last year. That's just one example. You can also turn a conversation between two people, an audio one, into a text one, which each of the people listed with their replies right next to them. So that's useful for reporters, journalists, and the like. This is the Galaxy S24 Plus, a part of the triplet this year that includes the S24 small one and the S24 Ultra. This is for people who like to game and don't need the productivity of a stylus. That's my opinion. And it's basically a replacement for the Galaxy A70 series, which will never come, and maybe pre-Galaxy S FE model till it's available. That's it from us from GSMDome.com. Hope you enjoyed this material. Goodbye.